Now your virtual machine is connected to your physical infrastructure or your external world, and if you want to enable remote desktop connection on it, and if you want to connect to your virtual machine via RDC connection, you can implement here. So we just close the web browser, we go to the this PC option, right click on it and get the properties. Now go to the change settings, and here we get the remote option, and by default RDC connection is disabled. So if you want to enable it, just click on this button and click on OK. So allow remote connections to this computer and remove this jack and apply here. It's really simple. Now you are eligible to connect via RDC connection. Here you can verify the IP address of this virtual machine. Here now you can see that 101 is the IP address. So if I want to RDC this virtual machine, I can do from here. Here you can see that I just type MSTSC for remote desktop connectivity. I will provide 101 IP address over here and just click. Here we go with the simple click, and I just type the username and password to connect this virtual machine remotely, and here we go. Now here you can see that. So the process is very simple. You can implement number of things as you are doing in your physical infrastructure. Thank you very much.